Ayun, good, good morning, guys. Today is May 1, 1:40 a.m. I just want to do some daily vlog starting today and then until kailan ako sipagin. Parang ganun. I just want to share or just want to record things that I'll be doing starting this day, moving forward, and the things that I want to have or to achieve. Because I really believe before this year started, I have this mindset that 2025 will be my year. This will be the year that I will be accomplishing a lot of things. Because for the past few years, especially the last 2 years, 2023 and 2024, those years are really hard. Yun yung mga taon na sobrang nasa, I can say, parang nasa deepest, darkest part ako ng buhay ko. That's why when I have that specific day last year, that is around October, after something happened, I say to myself na aking tong taon na to. And kinda starting January, February, March, April, and now this is the 5th month of this year, I still believe na aking pa rin yung taon na to. And for me to accomplish that, I want this to be my daily motivation na I will be achieving a lot of things. And I want to start from small things such as currently now I am working at home and I have a work from home setup, but this setup was provided by my previous company. They lend me or they allow me to borrow some equipment, and this is that equipment here. Yeah, and then the PC and stuff. So they allow me or they lend me this one. So my goal for this month specifically is to buy or to have my own equipment. I'm still thinking what equipment I'm going to buy. It's either a desktop setup or a laptop, or I just checked earlier one that is PC in one, if that makes sense, a monitor that has a PC. So I'm still thinking, but I have something in my mind na parang kung anong gusto kong bilhin, which is yung Lenovo X1 Carbon 6th Gen. I've already checked or searched about it, and I think that one is a business laptop that I can use for this type of environment or this type of job that I have. So yun yung pinaka parang maganda or the best laptop that I think that I can buy. And then yun yung umpisa. Then I want to have my own keyboard and mouse na parang mechanical keyboard, then magandang mouse, just to have an aesthetic setup, parang gano'n, tsaka isang extra monitor kasi sa work na may nahanap na currently meron ako, it is an email support, and for me to pass time is I'm watching movies. So habang Kasi ngayon ang ginagawa namin habang nag-i-email, naka-minimize or picture in picture siya. So maliit lang siya. So I want to have something na pwede kang manood ng buo. So yun, that's my goal for this month. I want to achieve it and I want to have it. So that's why I'm doing this, for me to be motivated to have that one for this month. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I believe na makaya ko yun. Manifesting. And then after that, let's see what would be my next goal or what would be my next target. It is material, yes, but it is something that I can be proud of pag nangyari or nagawa ko siya. So yun lang. I don't know when would be the next video that I'll be shooting or I'll be recording, but I really have this strong feeling, a positive feeling that this year would be mine, this year will be mine. So yan lang. So samahan nyo ako sa journey na. I don't know if I'll be posting this one or I'll be editing this one or how other people can watch this video, but I hope someday, someone will watch this video and then see the things that I have accomplished. Yan lang. Peace out.